Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a hair tutorial. Like, yay! I really don't do hair tutorials like that, but if a company does reach out to me and they tell me, hey, can you try out this product, I actually will. Again, I'm really not great with my hair. People think I like do so much to my hair, and I really don't. I have a lot of hair, so it takes a lot of time to do any styling. Even to straighten my hair, it usually can take me like about, I don't know, sometimes 45 minutes to an hour. It all depends, honestly, but I have a lot of hair too, and length doesn't help either, so I just want to clarify that. But anyways, I got sent was this product. It's the actual Nume Pentacle Wand, and let me just open this up. It's an actual deep waver, and it's pretty much like to give you deep waves. It's not really to crimp your hair. But I'm really excited for this because they let me pick this out, so I was really excited about that. And I wanted to test this out. I haven't tried it at all, you guys. Just opened this up because I really haven't opened this. So, alright. Oh, so this is the deep waver. It looks like that. So that's pretty cool. You do get this little swivel. Anyways, you do get like a heat protectant glove, which is cool. This Nume Precision Styling Tools. Oh, it's directions, pretty much. And safety instructions, in case you were wondering. And some more safety stuff. Temperature up to 140 Fahrenheit, up to 410, which is actually not that bad. You do have temperature control. It's a quick heating and a far infrared heat. Okay. And you do have negative ions, and it's 100% ceramic, which is great, and it's dual voltage, and it has a swivel cord, and it's made in China. That's all I know. Right, now that I just plugged this in, let's see. Oh, it does have like, that's actually pretty cool. So this does have like a lock mechanism, so meaning you can just, wait, did I do that right? Oh, you have to press it really hard. You have this like lock mechanism, so that way when you're traveling, it just keeps a lock like that, which is pretty cool. I was like, does it have an on and off button? It actually does. It has like a little switch here, so you're just gonna turn this on, and then there's a red light here. We're in a, oh, it just swivels. I thought this was like a digital kind of temperature. It's not. It's actually one of those like swivel things. I go up to 410. It's getting warm. I washed my hair like a day ago, so it's a little greasy. My hair gets very oily, especially when it's like in the summertime. I mean, I live in Florida, it's always summertime, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna use the Renpure Rose Water Weightless Hydration Dry Shampoo, which looks like this. I got this at Target, and I've been in love with this. I have tried so many dry shampoos, and this one has been winning for me because it's a big bottle, and it literally soaks up all the oil. So we're just gonna do this. Gosh, this sucks. I haven't been able to do my hair. Like, I need to like dye it, cut it. Gosh, it's like crazy. Oh, I had to cancel my hair salon appointment. Alright, so we're just gonna go here. Please don't mind me, you don't have to be that perfect on this. I go a little crazy on this, honestly, because and then I gotta separate my hair in the middle. If you really want to do so, just gonna shake your hair. Alright, we're done. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so now I'm gonna brush out my hair. So it's totally up to you how you want to part this. I normally like to part my hair in the middle. So especially if I'm gonna curl my hair or like, I guess deep wave this. I like to do it in the middle for some reason. So I have hair clips here because we're gonna separate my hair. So you're gonna grab a little comb and you're gonna separate, or where you want your part to start. I usually like to have it right in the smack middle. That's, again, like I said, I'm not a hairstylist. I really don't do much to my hair, honestly. Like, people think I do, but I don't. Alright, I think that's pretty good. We're gonna split it in half. We're gonna look like Pippi Longstocking in a minute, so it's okay. So I normally like to take hair bands or hair scrunchies, whatever you want to call them, and I just kind of separate them. Alright, So actually, you know what, let's do it this way. Alright, that's a good section right there. So I'm going to flip this up just because I want it out of the way. We're going to work with this section here. So just to let you know, I know it looks a little crazy, but it's the only way I can do my hair. I don't know how much of a big section I should take. We're just going to wing it here, I guess, like this much. So, you know what, let's take this out of the way. More hair clips, you guys. I'm gonna brush out your hair, and you're gonna take your wand. Please don't burn yourself, you guys. I don't like to use a glove personally, but if you want, you could. So you're just gonna take the actual clamp this way. You're gonna clamp it on. I normally leave it on for like 10 seconds if I was to do any deep waver tool. And then you wanna hold your hair tight. So you kind of just want to hold your hair straight and then just follow where it ended, so you'll get to see the little curl going. And that's how it looks like. Isn't that cute, you guys? It's really cute. You can hairspray it now. It's totally up to you. Or if you like to be like me, I just let it be. Like, I feel like the looser it gets, or like, I don't know, I like to have it just put nothing on it. Till like more like it towards the end I will. But it all depends. Whenever I'm in the mood. But let's push this back. Now we're gonna take another section. And honestly, this is pretty cool. Like if you really like kind of suck at curling hair, which I sometimes suck at curling hair. I'm not really the greatest person to do this. This is like a second option. And like it gives you a nice like deep wave, like kind of like beachy waves in a way. So see, it doesn't even take that long. And it's like, it's super cute. Like you just look like you just braided your hair kind of thing. You know when you braid your hair, it kind of gives you like that little curl vibe. That's what it looks like to me. So I'm going to show you one more section, and I'm probably going to speed up this process, you guys, honestly. And you don't really need to press really hard neither, honestly. Like, I have one from, I think it's the brand called TGI. The one I got from Target like a while ago. And that one I feel like I have to like press really hard down to get that perfect curl kind of thing. But this one, you really don't need to like press hard. It's like I said, I'm gonna speed this process. I'm probably gonna do this side, pretty much do this side and a little bit of the other side. And I'm just gonna show you the front, how I do the front. So I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys the top. So that way you don't get this like weird crease here. You kind of want to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to separate that here. So instead of like leaving the actual deep waver a really long time, I mean, you can just, it's all up to you how you want to do it. You can do it like how you've been doing the rest of it for 10 seconds. Normally I just leave it for like 2 seconds, like 1, 2, 3. And here you go. That way you kind of get like a smooth little crimp here, but not like a deep crimp. You know what I'm saying? So, up there. But I like how my hair looks. Looks like so beachy vibe. Loving it. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair looks like after it's just been deep waved. It looks so pretty. It looks so fluffy, and yeah. It's up to you, like if you just want to leave like that, or if you want to like just pin your hair to like to the side. It's totally up to you. I normally, like anytime I do like deep wave like this, I kind of like to do like a braid and just pin it back. Something simple, nothing crazy. How this looks, you guys, look at this. And I love how it just shines too. It gives you like that nice shine. It's super effortlessly, and I think it took me 30 minutes to do my hair, my whole entire hair. So that's pretty cool. It is actually pretty amazing. You saw it, it gives you a nice deep wave, and it's shiny. Like, this is really nice, you guys. Like I said, Nume actually sent this product to me for me to review. It's 100% my opinion on this product, so just to let you guys know. But other than that, yeah, would I recommend this? Yes, I would definitely recommend this. I'm going to leave the description down below. If you have any questions, you can always leave a comment down below as well. And also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I will leave that as well down below. So yeah, until next time guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.